is this? Eggplant. Yummy eggplant. Eggplant. Oh, you put it together. Okay, how about this? Corn. Good job. Corn. Eggplant and corn. Next, it's a pear. Nice one. Pear. Put together. Like this. So, tignan mo to. Oopsie. Here you go, here you go. You need help ba? Okay, next. How about this one? What is this? Pumpkin. Okay. How about this? Cherry. Yes. Cherry. Next one. Lemon. Very good. Lemon. Yummy. Sour lemon. Okay, how about this? What is this? What is this? Mushroom. Mushroom. What is this? Good. Mushroom. Put together. How about this one? Carrot. You need help? Again. Oh, hold mo. Okay, next. How about this? What is this? Strawberry. Next one, it's a watermelon. Alcohol. Next, tomato. Very good. How about this? Broccoli. Hindi ko yung nose mo. Sige, look at your work. Next. What is this? Banana. Next one. Apple. Okay. Next, how about this one? Mango. Fix the mango. Fix the mango. Go on. Look. It's not finished yet. Fix mo muna yung mango. Ito, oh. Where is it? The half. Oh. Put. Next, what is this? Pineapple. Oh, last one. The pineapple. Go. Fix the pineapple. Pineapple. Okay. High five, teacher.
One. Last one na.
High five.
Natin yung nose mo.
High five. Yay! Waving hands. Number 1.
Finish mo na to. Finish your work. Wala na. Tapos na.
Open number 1. Can you open number 1? Number 1. Hold mo. Hold mo na, teacher. Hold this one. Put 1. Then open. Open number 1. You try to number 2. 2. Number 2. Here. Insert the key. Insert the key for number 2. Yes, key and lock. Insert and then spin. Squeeze mo. 2. Next, number 3. Insert the keys.
Put it back.
Insert the key for number 3.
How about this one?
Okay, very good. Oh, now spin it. Spin mo.
Oh, no.
1, 2, 3, go. Open.
Oh,
Next, number 4. Insert the key. Ganito po. Okay, very good. Open.
Yo.
Next, number 5.
How about this one?
Baliktad like this. 5. Okay. Open. Next, number 6. 6. Open. Insert.
Oh, what is the name of your next teacher? Teacher Alvin.
Very good.
Oh,
Let's open it.
one.
Open natin. Open.
Purple ah.
Open. Okay, next. Number 7. Insert the keys. Insert the key.
Sit properly.
For number 7. This one, 7. Oh, 7. Insert the key.
High five.
Then open mo. Open. Next. 8. 8. Insert.
Are you
Like this. Go.
What's the name of your teacher at school?
Spin. Open. Next, number 9. Open number 9.
That a girl or a boy?
Sige, go.
How many classmates?
9. Oh, last one. Number 10.
You have? Four left.
Insert the key.
Sit properly.
Insert. Oopsie.
What's the name of your school?
Sige, good.
Second Academy.
There you go.
What's your mommy's name?
Open. Open mo. Open. Okay. Thank you.
Baby brother.
High five, teacher. High five.
What?
High five. 8 hands. Next, what is this? It's a giraffe. You're gonna fix the giraffe, okay? Look for number 1. Number 1.
The one.
2.
Ano yun? Sit properly.
Oh, 1, 2. What's next? Number 3. So, you can do it.
Ang ganda na may susunod.
Like this, oh. Oh, hold mo like this. Go, shoot. Shoot. 3. Next, number 4. Next.
Oh, sit properly.
5.
Oh, go. Ulit mo yan.
6.
Lagay mo dun yung socks mo sa shoes.
7.
Dali na, ilagay mo. Lagay mo na.
8.
Dami dito mga person.
9. Here. 9 here.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Sit
10. Here.
Mag-iipon ka pa lang.
Here. Ate, look, oh, it's here. Okay, very good. Next one. How about, wow, what is this? Dinosaur. Let's fix the dinosaur. 1. Where's number 1? Dinosaur's head. Where's the number 1? 1. Where is it? Look. 1. Next, number 2. Where's number 2? 2. Very good. 1, 2. Dito po, oh. Like this, oh. Oh. Put mo. 2. Sige lang siya. 2. Sige, go. Try again. Slowly. 2. Up. Number 3. 3. Here, look. Shoot mo, shoot. Shoot. 3. Number 3.
Oh,
Go. Number 3. Here.
teacher.
3. Next. 4. 4. Here. Number 4. Oh, number 4 pa lang po tayo. This one, oh. 4. Okay, next. Number 5. 5. Here. 5. 6. 6. This 6. 7. Isa ka po basket. Thank you. 7. Wait, where's number 7? Ito po siya number 7. Oh, right here. 7. Here. Ate, hold it like this. 7. Oh, you put 7. Shoot mo. Shoot. 7. Dito. Ate, here.
Here, inside.
Next, number 8. 8. Here, oh. 9. 9. Dito. Hold mo here. 9. Shoot. Shoot like this. Number 9. Go. 9. Baliktad ko like this. 9. Hold mo yan. 9. Next. Last one. Number 10. Shoot lang din, oh. Okay. Next. What is this? Bus. It's a? Okay. Bus. Number 1. Here. 1. Dito. 1. Here. Ate, here. Yan. 1. 2. Next, number 3. Oh, sorry. 3. Okay, next. 4. Dito, here. 4. 5. Here, 5. Ate right here, oh. 5. Up, here. Next, number 6. 7.
Go.
7. Okay, 8. 8.
What is this?
Okay, very good. 9.
What did you take that?
Again. Try it again. 9. 9.
Kasi lang, kaya yung 8.
Dito po, oh. 9. Right here. Number 9. Oh, habakan mo po. Oh. Put natin. 9.
Next.
Help teacher, help. Number 9. Put. Next, number 10.
Okay.
Shoot. Shoot po, the last one.
Following picture.
Hold.
Open number 1.
Shoot. Number 10. Okay, very good. Hi, bye.
The work on my own.
Next, let's do clothes spin. Color orange. Oh, wait, picture.
2. Find the adjective on the right. Press the
Hey, color orange. Go get 1. 1. Next. 2. Here.
Wait.
2. Baliktad po. Look mo. Hold it like this. 2. Next. 3. 4. Open. Hold mo properly, oh. Okay, next one.
Choose the correct phrases
Next.
on the right and fill in the sentence
Go.
on the left. What is the left part blank, a turtle. Run faster.
Next one.
Turtle, very good. Next.
Go, ate. Look at your work.
A giraffe blank, a penguin. What? A giraffe what? Is taller than a penguin.
Next one.
Good. Next. Number 3, one. Number 3, or read it out.
Next.
A panda blank, a mouse.
Here.
A panda blank, a mouse.
Okay, very good. Next.
Panda is bigger than the mouse. Bigger than the mouse. Next. Number 4, you want. Number 4, you want.
And last color orange. Orange.
Hippo blank, chicken.
Okay, next color pink.
Hippo
One.
is carefree. And
2,
chicken. Number 5.
3.
A spider.
Ate, look.
blank, a
3,
human. What?
4. Next one.
A spider has more
Ate, next.
legs than human.
4.
Next. Number 6. The one.
5.
A kangaroo blank.
Next, number 5. Come on.
Kangaroo.
5.
Rabbit. A kangaroo can jump higher than a rabbit. Very good. Next. Number 7. A dolphin blank. A
Next
dolphin.
one. 7.
A dolphin can swim
7.
faster than a dolphin.
Okay.
Next.
Finish na finish. 7.
A lion blank, a sheep.
Open.
Align. Stronger done.
9.
Shift. Stronger. Next.
Very
39.
Finish mo po
An
din.
elephant lang ato. An elephant lang ato.
Sige, go, go, go.
What?
Pretty, pretty si Ate Lizen. Yes, pretty. Okay, high five.
Lang ato.
Okay, very good. Waiting hands po. Thank you, ate. Okay, here you go. Start with one. Itchy? Itchy ba? Itchy? Ate, what is this? Apple and this one, look. And what's this? Bear. Very good. Apple and bear. Shoot mo. Fix. Yun. Okay, how about this? What is this? Cat. Good job. Next to cat, what is this? It's a dinosaur. Next one. How about this one? Elephant. Very good. Next, what is this? F is for fish. G is for giraffe. Very good. How about letter H? H is for... Oh, look at this one. What is this? Horse. Look at the picture. Horse. Oh, next to horse. What is this? H is for the horse and I is for ice cream. Next, J is for jet and K is for kite. Very good. Next, what is this? Lamb. Okay, next to lamb, what is this? It's a mouse. Good job. Mouse. And then nose. Where's your nose? Nose, yes. Teacher's nose. How about you? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Nose. Here, oh, this one. Nose. Oh, next, what is this? Ox. Next, letter P is, and then Q is for queen. Okay. P, pig. Q, queen. How about the letter R? What is this? And then snake. Okay, where's the rabbit and the snake? Next, letter T is for. Letter U is for. Oh, now look for the turtle and the umbrella. Okay, very good. What is this? Vegetable. Where's the vegetables? Vegetable. Next one. How about this? Whale. Now look for the whale. Next, what is this? And ouch. And last one. Put. And last one. What is this? Zebra. High five na, teacher. Very good. Insert one.
Anong unit to the people? Abroad, not abroad.
Sige, go ate. Insert mo. Hawakan mo. And pull. One. Next, number 2. Here we go. 2. Insert number 2. 2. Okay, very good. 2. Next, number 3. Number 3, go. 3. Okay, oh. Okay, teacher. Yan. Good. 3, oh. Next. Insert mo again. Number 4. 4, here. Here, oh. Look at the hole. Where's the hole? 4. 4. Yun, very good. Next, number 5. Insert mo, insert. Very good. Next, number 6. Hawakan mo konti. This, oh. Insert. Very good. Next, number 7. Again. 7. Okay. Next, number 8. 8. Here. 8. How come like this? Yeah, very good. Next, number 9. Hold this one, hold. Here, this one. Yan. 9. Okay, good job. Next. Sure. Last one, number 10. Hawakan mo yung number. There you go. Thank you. High five. Massage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage face. Next. Massage face. Here. Next. Look at your work. Tingnan mo mabuti kasi. Next. Master. I give you 2 minutes to finish that. Go. Timer start now. I give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes to finish that, okay? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oo nga eh. Up-tempo. Next, go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes yung one. Do you want to jump? Jump. 25 seconds. Jump. You want to jump? Go jump. You want to? Bread. You want bread?